Okay, where's the banana? You don't want to put that? Okay, where's the banana? Can you show Mom the banana? Thank you. Where's the eggplant? Can you show Mom the eggplant? Where's the eggplant? No, that's broccoli. Where's the eggplant? Look the nice. Where's the eggplant? Eggplant. Look, the eggplant. That's a pear. Where's the eggplant? No, I don't want the pear. Where's the eggplant? That's a lemon. What's this? What's that? That's an eggplant. That's the broccoli. And that's the corn. And that's the cabbage. And that's a pepper. Where's the carrot? That's a grapes. Can you show me the carrot? No, I want the carrot. Where's the carrot? Give Mom the carrot. Where's the carrot? Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Take it back.
Take the red pepper and the broccoli. Oh, I guess the other thing is celery then. Because he has this thing, I'll show it to you. He knows every single vegetable.
The potato. I think that's a potato.
Yeah.
That's onion.
Onion. Anthony.
Lemon? The lemon?
See this thing? He knows every single fruit and vegetable on it.
Oh yeah, oh it is well worn out, eh?
Where's the avocado? Could you show Mom the avocado? Here, where's the avocado? Show Mom. Where's the paper? Look, hello, here. Where's the avocado? Thank you. Where's the kiwi? No kiwi? Can you show Mom the kiwi?
Let's see how he gets super angry.
Thank you. That's a good job.
But you can't stop. You gotta keep on trying.
Oh, yeah?
You know he
Where's
gets
the
angry.
tomato?
Oh, you do?
Tomato. Oh, that's a good job. Where's the pumpkin? That's good job. Good job, Mom.